Hey everyone! Today I'm introducing you to a platform that's shaking up the world of video creation, Vidu. Whether you're a solo creator, animator, designer, or just someone exploring the power of AI visuals, this tool is going to change how you think about storytelling. Imagine turning a single image, a sentence, or even a mood board into a high-quality animated video without ever opening a video editor. That's what Vidu brings to the table. In this video, I'll guide you through how Vidu works, walk through its latest features, and show you how to make your own video step by step. And keep an eye out. Vidu's brand logo will pop up during the tutorial as a subtle reminder of the tech making all this magic happen. What exactly is Vidu? At its core, Vidu is a web-based AI video generator that uses multimodal input, like text, images, or character references, to create stunning animations. You don't need editing experience. You don't need animation skills, you just need a concept. Whether you're building a cinematic fantasy trailer, a character-driven animation, a tech product demo, or a dreamlike visual loop, Vidu gives you the tools to bring that vision to life in just a few clicks. What makes Vidu special? Here's where Vidu sets itself apart. Multimodal creation Vidu supports. Text to video, just describe a scene and it generates an animation. Image to video, upload a still image and Vidu brings it to life with movement, light, and camera motion. Reference to video, provide character images for consistent identity and animation across scenes. Q1, rendering model. Their latest Q1 model delivers film-level visual quality, smooth character motion, and highly accurate lighting. Think 4K realism meets cinematic depth. Built-in sound design, add audio directly with prompts like midnight forest ambience or metallic footsteps on stone. You can layer multiple sounds, time them, and let Vidu sync it with your visuals automatically. Templates for viral animation. Short on time? Use ready-made animations like slow zooms, dramatic entrances, or reveal edits. Perfect for TikTok-style shorts or fan content. Community-powered reference library. You can now tap into a public library of characters and scenes shared by other users. Browse, remix, or contribute your own. Vidu is building a community of creative references. Let's make a video. Image to video demo. All right, let me show you how simple it is to make a cinematic video using just an image. 1. Head to vidu.com and sign in. If you're new, check out the sign-up code in the description for bonus credits. 2. At the top left, select the Q1 model for the best quality. 3. Click Image to Video. 4. Upload your image. I'm using this dreamy illustration of a mysterious forest temple at dusk, surrounded by glowing fireflies. 5. In the prompt box, I typed, "Ancient temple, hidden in a glowing forest. Warm sunset rays shining through trees. Slow camera push. Magical atmosphere." 6. Optional. Upload a second image as your final frame to control the transition. 7. Hit generate, and within seconds, I've got a short cinematic loop with flickering lights, moving leaves, and ambient mood. Looks like a scene straight out of a fantasy film. Mastering text to video. Let's say you don't have an image. You want to build a video from pure imagination. Use this simple formula: act subject or character, place, action, place at environment, place and mood or style. Example prompt: a teenage witch flying over a foggy coastal village at night, glowing broom trail, wide cinematic angle, enchanted style. This gives the model clear instructions on what to build, and it nails everything from the movement to the atmosphere to the lighting style. Reference to video plus public library consistency is everything in character storytelling. And that's where reference to video shines. Upload up to 7 images of your character in different outfits, angles, or expressions. Vidu uses them to build a consistent animation that stays true to your design across every frame. Even better, with the new public reference library, you can explore dozens of stylized characters, generate video with just one click using shared references, add your own designs to inspire the community. Let's say you want to animate a retro pilot girl with goggles and leather gear. Just search for a character, click Use, and Vidu does the rest. Audio, movement, and creative control. Want to boost immersion? Try Vidu's AI-generated sound effects. Just type in cues like crackling fireplace in the background, synthwave music with distant thunder, underwater ambiance with whale calls. You can sync the timing and even stack multiple sounds together. For animation control, use the movement amplitude setting. Want subtle animation for a portrait? lower the value. Want dynamic zooms, hair movement, or action shots? Turn it up. It's a simple way to dial in your creative tone. Templates for Fast Results Vidu includes built-in templates to help you create high-impact animations quickly. Try out animations like side-by-side character glow-up, slow-motion entrance reveal, back-to-back transformations. Just upload 1 or 2 photos, pick a template, and Vidu builds a complete motion sequence. Perfect for creators doing short edits or social media content. Final tips before you create. Use vivid layered prompts. Think mood plus action plus setting for best results. Use start and end images. This helps stabilize the animation. Save your characters in your personal reference library. Browse public references when you're stuck for inspiration. Render during off-peak hours on Ultimate Plan to save credits. Ready to try it? If you're excited to start creating videos with nothing but your ideas, go to vidu.com, sign up using my code below, and start building your next masterpiece. Whether you're creating for fun, for your brand, or just exploring AI, Vidu gives you a visual playground like no other. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!